Welcome to Step by Step Python tutorials, guys. This is Abhishek, your trainer, and I hope you are enjoying my last video tutorials like variables, boolean, and some others. And I hope you are learning something valuable from it. So, guys, you most will be thinking what we're gonna discuss in this part. So, guys, this part is all about indentation and white spaces. Today we're gonna discuss indentation and white spaces in Python and why and how these are important. So guys, actually structure is a very important thing in Python. Whenever we write in a statement, we always need to look after some indentation, white spaces, or indentation in the code, so that makes code looks proper and looks better. In spite of looking better and well structured, it also gives make a stay over some errors. So indentation and white spaces are always important while writing your code. You can if you ignore this indentation and white space, you can either get an error or some syntax error or something like that. So just keep in mind that you always need to put indentation and white spaces as a priority. So let's quickly move to some examples and let me show you why I'm saying that indentation and such white space and things are that much important in Python. So guys, I'm gonna create an example, an easy example. Let's say I'm creating a variable, say my var1, and assigning it a value, say welcome to step by step Python. Now I just enter it, and now as you can see I provided some white spaces and tabs. So now I'm gonna print my statement, say print my var, and guys, now I just save it, and now I'm gonna run it, and let's see what's gonna happen. Here I run it. Oops, some warning, let me fix that. Okay, okay guys, let's start it again. Okay, so I don't know what's happening. Okay, there you go. So guys, as you can see, we are getting an error saying indentation error unexpected indent. This is because we provided some white spaces before the printf statement. That's why we are getting this error. So as you can see, undesired indentation can cause you some errors. Here you can also see code analysis also telling you here is some error, unexpected indentation. So these are some important things to put in your mind while coding, because these are some minor and minute mistakes, but it can cause you some major errors. So now as you can see, I'm gonna save it. I removed white spaces and I'm gonna run that code again. Now as you can see, you are getting an output. So that's why I'm saying why such indentation is important. So guys, keep in mind, not only in that case, while dealing with loops, statements, functions, if-else statements, and anonymous function, lambda function, and each and other type of statement in Python, you need to carefully look for the indentation white spaces. You don't need to put some extra or undesired white spaces in order to make your code looks better. Python is a well structured language. It's automatically grabs some white spaces if required. In case, for example, in case of function, say let's here I'm defining a function, my function, and providing it a parameter x. Now that's a function. You don't need to worry about it. We will discuss about that in some later tutorials. So as you can see, as soon as I entered, I am already getting some white spaces. So Python is well structured. It automatically creates white spaces whenever required. You don't need to put some extra from your side. So I guess that's all from this tutorial. I hope you have something good from the tutorial and something useful for your Python. So guys, let me take you to this step here. Just a minute. Okay, so guys, that's all from this part and this tutorial. For more Python and technical stuff, you can visit our website latestspeak.com, where you're gonna find some tutorials on some technologies, languages like Python, Java, etc, etc. In spite of these tutorials, you're gonna get some exciting news, tech updates, tweaks, and behind the technology scene. And it's a complete computer science portal where you're gonna get all this stuff at a single place. So guys, for more information you can visit latestspeak.com, and for more any other query you can either drop us a mail or write back us. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.